Okay, we are back, but without an exhaust leak this here. Yes sir, yes sir, she is back. Yes, no exhaust leak. It's great. Man, that exhaust leak was driving me crazy. Now she's purring like a kid, like a rotary should. Sounds nice on acceleration, on deceleration. Downshift, third gear, nice, that's sweet. In the boost a little bit. There you go, off the boost. Sounds good. Down the second, let her rev out a little bit. This sounds good. I mean, look at it, listen to it. Woo! Sweet, sweet. Oh, let's not rear-end this car. Right. So yeah, she's running good now. nothing better than a well-running rotary car. I tell you what. I mean, I own a few cars, and they're good cars. I mean, I got a little Miata. I'm 6'2". Don't ask me how I fit in it, but I got a little Miata. I drive that here and there. It's good on gas. Nice little car, flickable. No power, no balls, but it's a nice little car. It's an MB. I got a Challenger SRT8, 6-speed. That's my daily. It drives good. It's a good car. Not bad at all. Got torque everywhere. But I just feel special when I get in this. I mean, it's something about it. I can't pinpoint it, but like my son said in another video, it's like driving a go-kart. And it is. And I mean, that's what he does. He races go-karts, so he knows what driving a go-kart's like. And it is just like that. It's just so flickable. And in this case, this one has quite a bit of power, so you know it makes it pretty quick with this lightweight. It handles, and I could go on and on about these cars. It's incredible, and I don't do that just because I own one. They are special, and you know, people wonder why they're worth so much. It's easy. Jump in one and drive it. That's all I can tell you. Jump in an Rx7 FD, drive it, and then you'll see what the fuss is all about and why these cars have come up in price. It's the way it is here. Oh boy. All right, guys, let's end this video.